The coordinates of the points are given as 4 tan phi, 3 secant phi, where phi is a parameter. Then the point 4 tan phi, 3 secant phi lies on a conic of eccentricity. Now you have to select the eccentricity from the 4 given options. Tan phi and secant phi. What is the value of secant square theta minus tan square theta? And what is the equation of the hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now the given points are 4 tan phi and 3 secant phi. Now substitute, taking x equals 4 tan phi and y equals 3 secant phi. So this implies 16 tan square phi by a square minus 9 secant square phi divided by b square is equal to 1. But the trigonometric relation is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here we have tan square phi minus secant square is equal to 1. So how should we write it now? Interchange. Okay, so now we can write the conic section as, or the equation as, y square by 9 minus y square by 9 minus x square by 16 is equal to 1. Y square by 9 minus x square by 16 is equal to 1. How did we write this? It is correct because you can check what is y. 3 secant square phi. So if you want to check it out how this comes, you substitute for y and x and you get 1 on the right hand side. So if I put y as 3 secant phi, then y square is 9 secant square phi divided by 9 minus 16 tan square phi divided by 16. 9 and 9 cancel, 16 and cancel. And what is secant square theta minus tan square theta? Secant square phi minus tan square phi, which is equal to 1. So we get the equation of the ellipse as y square by 9 minus x square by 16 is equal to 1. Not ellipse, hyperbola. We get the equation of ellipse as, equation of hyperbola as y square by 9 minus x square by 16 is equal to 1. Now this is an hyperbola. The usual hyperbola is x square by regular hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. But here we have got y square by 9 minus x square by 16 equals 1. Here y is negative, here x is negative. So regular hyperbola graphically is like this. If you interchange the signs of x and y terms, then the hyperbola comes like this. So this is this hyperbola, and this is regular hyperbola. This type of hyperbola is called as conjugate hyperbola. Remember, what is the name of that? Conjugate hyperbola. And you want to find the eccentricity, and the hyperbola is conjugate. What is the formula for eccentricity of hyperbola? Regular, for regular, root of a square plus divided by a. And for conjugate hyperbola, what should you do? You have to interchange. What is the another formula for hyperbola? E is equal to square root, another formula for eccentricity. E is equal to square root of 1 plus a square by, now you make it square root of 1 plus b square by a square for conjugate hyperbola. Okay, now you write. Now this is b square by a square. For regular hyperbola, who told it is a square by b square? It is b square by a square. For conjugate hyperbola, it will be, okay, now you write E is equal to square root of 1 plus a square by b square. Now substitute the values of a and b, or a square and b square. So it is square root of 1 plus 16 by 9. 1 plus 16 by 9, that is square root of 25 by 9, that is equal to 5 by 3. And note that eccentricity is greater than 1.